Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my exciting announcement that I've been hinting at here and there, and I'm really excited. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. At least some of you will be. So the announcement is that I'm going to be offering online makeup lessons. This is something that I've been working on the last couple months. I would say the last 2 months. I made a whole separate website. I've been filming and editing, and I still have a lot more filming and editing to do on the actual lessons. But I have about 4 done, and I will be adding more. I'm super excited about this because here on my YouTube, I have built an audience that likes to watch me because of my freelance content, and a lot of you guys, those are your favorite videos that I do. Anything involving makeup artistry and freelancing. Seems to be some of your favorites, and those are the most viewed videos on my channel and the videos that kind of get the most engagement. And over the last year, I have gotten a lot of people message me, email me, DM me, telling me that I've helped them gain confidence to freelance, telling them that my videos have helped them so much, and that some of you guys have said you wish you could take lessons from me but you don't live in my state. I actually got 2 messages just today, and ironically I'm filming my announcement video today, but I just got 2 messages asking me for some sort of lessons, but they don't live where I do. And the one girl actually said, I wish I remember her name, it's like Pop Glam something, and she said she can't wait to take one of my business courses one day. And I was like, oh my god, like that's crazy, because I'm gonna be announcing these classes today. So yeah, it's just crazy how things work out, and I decided to do these lessons for you guys. Any of you that have messaged me and said the sweetest things about my freelancing videos and how they've helped you and how you wish you could take lessons from me, like these lessons are for you guys, and I'm doing it for you also because I love teaching and teaching others about makeup. It is something I'm very passionate about, but I never really got too into it because I didn't know how. And I do lessons here and there, but you know, it's just so much easier to do it online because now I could do it for people all over the country and potentially all over the world. So it's really, really cool. Thank you to all my supporters that, you know, have messaged me and like my freelance content that I have uploaded on my channel. I'm kind of taking that to the next level and offering these online makeup lessons. And yeah, a little bit about these lessons. So basically these lessons are for aspiring makeup artists that are just starting out, or even if you've been in the industry but maybe you want to refresh your skills or just learn another artist's technique. Like, these are great lessons for you to learn from. I am sharing a lot of information. I'm sharing a lot of stuff that I wish I knew starting out in the industry. I am a self-taught artist, so I've had to learn a lot through trial and error, and I've learned a lot over the years. And you know, some of it good, some of it bad, but I'm really sharing things that I wish I knew in the beginning. That's kind of my mindset throughout this. Like, okay, what would I want to know just starting out? And I know just starting out, the scariest part about being a makeup artist is doing makeup on other people, because we could be awesome at doing makeup on ourselves, but there's a it's completely different doing it on other people, and it's a whole different ball game, and it could be very nerve-wracking because you're in someone's personal space, you're touching their face, you're by their eyes, and it could be a little scary. So I really walk you through all these different lessons and all the different tips and tricks that I have to share. I kept these lessons fairly priced just because I know how expensive it can be starting out. I do have to charge something, you guys, because at the end of the day, I'm sharing, you know, my tips and my techniques and how I do makeup as an artist. And there's a lot of artists out there that will never share that. I'm okay sharing it because I am confident in my skill, and there's room for all of us in the industry, so why not lift each other up. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. As of now, I have a business class, which you guys, I really suggest you guys at least purchase that one if you're not going to purchase any of the others, because it kind of talks about how to market yourself, how to get clientele, how to win over clients. Like, it just goes over a lot. Pricing, contracts, deposits, all of the business side of things, because at the end of the day, you can have your own business being a makeup artist, but if you don't have a basic understanding of business, it's going to be very hard to be successful, regardless of how talented you are. So we have that. We have a bridal class, which is actually my favorite class, because I love the way the makeup came out, and it is like for the ultimate bridal glam to make your brides look absolutely flawless. We have a basics class where I just kind of go over the basics of makeup on somebody and show you, matching foundation, brows, lashes, all of that. It's just like a classic look. We have a class for mature skin, and I have many more plans, but I'm just starting off with those, and I'm gonna add more classes as we go along. But yeah, as of now, the only class that is up is the business class. I filmed that actually a while ago, and that's been ready to go. But I am going to wait to launch the actual lessons for 2 weeks. So today is today is the 27th, but this video will be going up on the 1st, and the classes will launch on the 15th. So exactly 2 weeks from December 1st. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 2 weeks from December 1st. So Saturday the 15th, the lessons will officially launch, and yeah, I'm super excited. So what you have to do right now is you have to go click the link down below. That will bring you to my website, onlinemakeupLessons.com, and on there you can sign up for my newsletter. So you're really going to want to sign up for the newsletter if you have any intentions of taking these classes or these lessons, because that is going to keep you updated on when the classes are coming, what the lessons are going to be about, pricing, sales, all of that. It's going to keep you updated on everything. So I really suggest you sign up for the newsletter. Also, because if you sign up, you automatically get enrolled in a giveaway, and the giveaway is for a MAC eyeshadow quad. I handpicked the 4 shadows myself. I picked 4 shadows that I feel will be staples in your freelance kits. I know I wanted MAC products so bad when I started out. It just wasn't in my budget. And now I have the luxury of using MAC all the time, and I have a pro discount with them. So it's really nice, and I wanted to give you guys something that I think a lot of you guys would really enjoy. So we have 4 MAC shadows. We have Nylon, All That Glitters, Brown Down, I think it is, Brown Down, and Soft Brown. So those are 4 great MAC eyeshadows. So if you want to win a MAC eyeshadow quad, then definitely enroll in the newsletter. I will be announcing the winner the day the lessons launch. I will be announcing them on my Instagram, so you have to follow me on Instagram, makeup_by McKenna, and I will link that down below as well. And I will probably announce them on my stories and then maybe post them as well. But you have 48 hours to get back to me if you are the winner. And yeah, I will just be picking a winner at random. But I hope you guys are excited for these lessons as much as I am. I'm super excited. I'm really excited. I think you guys are really gonna love them. And it's just funny to me that I got 2 messages today saying that they want to take lessons with me, but and they found me through YouTube, and here I am announcing that I'm gonna do online makeup lessons. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us on these lessons. Of course, if you have any suggestions at all, of course, it wouldn't be a YouTube video without my dog George. getting involved. But if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. I have a bunch of ideas, but of course I'm open to suggestions. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.